Selena Gomez. I'm obsessed with her. I mean, what's not to love about her? She's gorgeous inside and out. I'm a huge Selena Gomez fan.
I am too. She's my celebrity crush.
Right? And actually my intern just met her in person and said that she's just as sweet as you can imagine in person, which makes me love her even more. Yeah. So today I'm really excited. I have my girlfriend Jaclyn here. I'm so glad you're joining us.
Yeah.
She is an incredible makeup artist.
Thank you.
And so today we're going to recreate a Selena Gomez smoky eye.
Yep, smoky eye.
Smoky eye. Who doesn't love a smoky eye? Who doesn't love Selena Gomez?
Right.
And Urban Decay just sent me this huge box full of goodies in the mail. So we're gonna use the Born to Run palette. Beautiful colors. Oh, there's the camera, there's our ring light. To recreate the Selena Gomez look. Jaclyn's gonna be doing it because I'm not the best with makeup. We can all learn a thing or two from her. So let's get going.
The first color I'm gonna go in with is called Punk. I'm using a short blending brush and I'm just focusing on the outer part of her eye. This is gonna be created like a base and I'm just focusing on the outer side to give it more depth. I'm now going in with a longer blending brush and that is just to make sure that this color is blended. I'm using a pretty small, precise flat brush to put the color drift all over her lid because I don't want to get it into her crease. I want it to specifically stay on her lid. So now I'm using that first brush we used and I'm going in with the color Punk. I just put a little bit on my brush. This is just to give the eye a little bit more warmth. And I'm just making sure everything is blended together. You can kind of already tell that the eye definitely got a little bit warmer by putting a little bit more of that color on the outer part of the eye. I'm now going in with Cat's Meow. It's by MAC. I'm just putting a thin line of liner on top of her lid. I'm not trying to be perfect with this because I am going to go over with this flat defined brush and I'm going right over the liner and that is to smoke it out. You can kind of see here that it's not that thick of a line and I'm just wiping away any excess that I had under and I'm just using Hourglass Veil translucent powder to wipe it away. To brighten up her brow bone, I am going in with the color Weekender. So because this is a smoky eye look, I decided to put some liner focusing on her waterline and also where her eyelashes grow. I'm now taking a very small brush and I put a little bit of the color Jet on it to really smoke this out and smoke out the liner. I also am putting a little bit more of that color Jet on that flat defined brush and I'm going right over the liner on top and just coating her lashes with some mascara. So before I put any lipstick on Jess, I'm going in with MAC Subculture Liner and outlining her lips. I'm overlining just a little bit just to make them look a little bit more full. So this came in the PR package. It's the Born to Run Vice lipstick. It's in shade 66. I thought this was a really beautiful nude, but also had a pretty good touch of pink. And I think it really brings together the whole smoky eye look and gives it that little bit of dramatic feel.